The demand for reliable transport is constantly increasing. Railways are expected to grow up to 40% over the next 20 years, providing longer running hours and more passenger journeys. In contrast, rail operators and maintainers are challenged to control and streamline operational and maintenance expenditure. Digitalisation is one opportunity to manage costs and optimise revenue. Research has shown that companies that rely on data-driven decisions are likely to boost revenue by as much as 30%. One of the greatest opportunities of data-driven decisions in the railway industry is predictive maintenance and operational support. Predictive maintenance will allow maintainers to move from unplanned service-affecting failures to planned shutdowns, increasing availability and reducing maintenance cost. It will also break silos by easily connecting information around repairs to the operations team. This will enable teams to find the optimum time window to perform the repair through understanding maintenance and operational needs, minimising disruption to the timetable and penalties. TIRIS is Thales' predictive maintenance and operational support tool for the transport industry. It takes advantage of technologies such as the Industrial Internet of Things, cloud-based solutions and data analytics to create insights and knowledge from small and big data sources. In addition to this, a range of digital services are offered, including software development, data science, advisory services. TIRIS is also technology agnostic and secured by Thales' world-leading experience in cybersecurity. The end result is efficient transport, from happy passengers reaching their destination on time without disruption, to happy freight customers getting their package. And, for the railway industry, efficient transport means more business.